Hello, wonderful people. Welcome to What Trends in NAIJA. Thank you all for tuning in. If you're new in the house, you're welcome. Please do well to smash that subscribe button and click on the notification bell to get notified when I upload a new video. If you're my old subscriber, you're also welcome. So, in today's news, a diligent female traffic warden was spotted controlling traffic under the rain in Ilorin, Kwara State. Okay, without wasting your time, let's go straight into the video.
A road safety officer controlling traffic under a heavy rain. You can imagine that, but there are still good police officers. She deserves an accolade. She deserves an accolade. You can imagine that. Her wristwatch is soaked with water. I tell you, I have a wristwatch for her. Actually going to dance by a wristwatch. Yes. It's actually doing that under the rain.
So, first of all, I would really like to commend this woman for her efforts. She really did nice. She really did good. Even with the rain, she decided to control traffic order to prevent any accidents. That's something really good to do. And I know you all know the saying which says, "What goes around comes around. If you do good, good comes back to you." You could hear the man recording the videos saying that he would buy a wristwatch, that he's surely going to give her a wristwatch. So, in this life, just be good, do good things. Good will always come back to you. So, thank you all for watching. Please subscribe, turn on post notification bell to get notified when I upload a new video. Thank you.